probably should close that door. Anyway, I've got a whole lot of resin things that I created last night and I thought I would demold them all with you. Anyway, so I'll tilt the camera down and I will just do a quick pop 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 and I won't talk. And yeah, so these ones I was going to do as dangly earrings. There's the focus right there. So these little blue flowers actually on the tree are purple and they're really cute, but they dry blue. So bit of a mystery there. And bottle brush, bottle brush, bottle brush. These ones are just stunning, these pendants. Absolutely stunning. Love them. And of course wattle. And then wattle and little leaves. And then purple bottle brush, which is definitely a fave to us Aussies that love our bottle brush. And this is off a flaring gum, but it needs polishing, but it's very red. More bottle brush, and in here I have crepe myrtle pendulums. Try that again. I have crepe myrtle pendulums, and they're very cute. Someone actually ordered that one, so I made a couple. And then this one's a dark crepe myrtle. But yes, anyway, so that's my large resin pulling. I don't know why this is not autofocusing, but anyway, they're very cute. Love, love, love. Here's Zali's rainbow unicorn that's taking me forever. So I did the green last night. So green, blue, purple, and pink, but I feel like there's going to be very little of those because I accidentally put way too much red and orange. And down here we have little blue hydrangea bud earrings, which need to be finished. Where's the focus at? But that is very cute as well. Love, love, love. Okay, let's try that. So, pick a background that is not as filthy. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and if you have any questions or anything about resin, feel free to shoot me some questions in the comments. Happy to give any advice that people would like. I mostly use slow setting resin, so I have time to play around with it and I can make a whole lot without it all setting too quickly. I do have fast setting resin that I use to bail them or to stick them on the hairpins and stuff like that, but yeah, if you have any questions, feel free. I am totally up for a chat about it if you want to. I also have my Instagram that's different to my normal Instagram, so I'll link my Instagram here, and my Etsy is linked on my main bar on my YouTube, but I can chuck it in the link down below if you want to have a look, if you're interested in any pieces that I've made. Wow, it's really hard to hold the camera up there. Yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video.